Hey there. Thanks for joining us on the Weekly Word. Hope you enjoyed the little montage of wildflowers we did. We're up on the Starr Mountain, about 2 miles above my house here today. Getting to be that transition time between the spring and summertime. When it gets real hot in the summertime, this is a really nice place to come. Just sit here by the waterfall. Sometimes I even sit over there right at the waterfall at the water. Nature's air conditioning. But it's just a wonderful place here. This is Yellow Creek on Starr Mountain. You got to watch it when you get out in the creek, though. There's some really slick rocks out there. You know, all the other rocks around the side of the creek are kind of jagged and rough, but the ones in the water, you notice, are smooth, round stones oftentimes. And it's kind of interesting to think about how water wears them down like that over the years. You know, the Bible talks about the water of the washing of the Word. The water of the washing of the Word. And there's a lesson in that. That's how the Bible works on us. We read our Bible daily, and over time, over the years, it's changing us into something else. It's hopefully taking the rough spots out of our lives and smoothing things out for us. Hope you stay in your Bible regularly, because that's how God talks to you. See you next week on the Weekly Word, Lord willing.